Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool image around here, and basically what this is a magnetic wireless charger that basically works as a power bank as well. You can see the one that we got right here is from this brand, and right here in the bottom they do probably got some of the specs and features on the product, and then right here on the side they do probably got some of the specs and features that's on here as well, and same thing on the other side. But first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what is actually included inside. Alright, so once you guys take it out, and you see there's a lot of accessories inside. So right here they do probably got a magnetic option that you stick onto your case if your case is not magsafe compatible. Right here they do probably got a measurement option if you guys do need to use it. And right here they do probably got a user manual to teach you guys how to set up and how to use it. And then right here they do probably got a USB-C to USB-C cable, so you can definitely use that to recharge the product. And then last but not least, we do have the product right here. So let's take it out. Once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So this part right here is a magnetic option that you can put your phone on here to start using it. And then the back part right here, we do have the brand logo. And if you guys notice right here, they do give you guys the option to push it up. So that way you can use it as a stand if you guys want to. So you basically have the option to use it this way, or you can use it this way as well. But it's more ideal for you to use it this way because that is basically how they designed it. And once you guys are done, you guys can push back in. So really cool design. But right here on the side, you can see we do have a button. So let's push it one time. And you see in the back right here, they do show you guys the battery percentage. So right now it's around 74%. And if you guys turn it over right here, we do have the USB-C option. And they do mention for the USB-C option, it works as both an input and output. So if you guys want to use it to charge your device, you do have the option available. And when you guys feel the overall weight of the product, it's not that heavy. It's actually pretty lightweight. So if you guys want to bring it along when you guys are traveling or something, you definitely can. And then for the product, like I mentioned, it is 10,000 mAh. So you should be able to charge the device up to 2 times from 0 to 100, depending on the device you guys do have. And then for the product, it definitely has all the protection built in, like the overcharge protection, over voltage protection, and the list goes on. But now let's test it out to show you guys how it works and whether or not it actually works. So later all you need to do is stick it onto the back. And that is only if you guys do have a MagSafe compatible case. If you guys don't, then you do want to use the accessory that's provided for you guys to stick this on the case first. But for the case that I do have right here is MagSafe compatible. So if you guys do test it out, and you see it definitely does work. If you see once we do stick it on, the logo that pops on is the MagSafe compatible option. So it definitely will get the fastest charging speed on here compared to a lot of other chargers that does not have that logo. So if you guys try it one more time, you can see it definitely does work. And right here it does show you guys the battery percentage like I mentioned. And when you guys do test out the magnetic option on here, it's actually pretty strong. So you don't have to worry about it falling off, unless if you guys really pull it out like this, then it will come out. But otherwise the magnet on here is actually really strong, if you can see. So once you guys do have it all set up, here is basically what the product looks like when you guys do use it. And you do have the option to use it multiple ways. This is one way. If you guys turn it, here's another way. And if you guys close it back up, you guys can use it like that and just carry around with you guys anywhere you need to. And the very bottom right here, you can see they do probably got the specs and features that's on the product in terms of input and output, and also for the wireless charging as well. Now let's try out the USB-C option to see when it actually works as well. So let's plug the cable on the side right here. Once you guys do plug it in, you can see it does work and it is charging the device. And it is also charging a phone as well at the same time. But now let's try to use the USB-C option to see when it actually works as the output as well. So I have the USB-C to USB-C cable from the Anker brand. If you guys do plug it in. And the other side one plug it right here. You can see that works as well. And it is also charging a phone at the same time. But when you guys are charging more than one device at a time, it will not give you guys that fast wireless charging option anymore until you guys unplug it. And the reason why that happens is because you guys are charging more than one device, so you need to split the power. So that's definitely something to kind of remember when you guys do purchase product. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we do unboxing and testing product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality magnetic wireless charger that also works as a power bank as well, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.